Everyone says dropshipping is dead. So I decided to let an AI run a dropshipping business for 30 days. It chooses the product, builds the website, and runs the ads. My job, just follow instructions. What could possibly go wrong? Hello, I'm an IV, a virtual business partner. Let's make some profit. So here's the deal. For the next 30 days, I'm handing over the keys to Iva. She's an AI I built to be an e-commerce expert. She'd be the brains of the operation, and I'll be the hands executing her every command. We've got a budget, a timeline, and a big question to answer. Can a human and an AI actually build a profitable business from scratch in just 1 month? Let's find out. The first step in any dropshipping journey is product research, and I let a IV take the wheel completely. After analyzing over 10,000 trending products, I recommend a smart posture corrector. It's lightweight, low cost, and popular among students. Makes sense. I mean, let's be real. Everyone sits hunched over their laptop these days, myself included. Aiva pulled up all this data showing why this product was a winner. She analyzed search trends, supplier reliability, and potential profit margins. It was honestly a little intimidating how fast she worked. While I would have spent days scrolling through AliExpress, she had a data-backed decision in minutes. We found a supplier offering the posture corrector for about €8 per unit. AIVA suggested a selling price of $29.95. That gave us a pretty decent margin to play with, even after accounting for shipping and ad spend. This might actually work. I ordered a sample, unboxed it, and it was surprisingly good quality. Lightweight, adjustable, and pretty discreet. With the product locked in, week 1 was a success. Now on to building the store. Alright, week 2, website creation. I'm pretty familiar with Shopify, but I wanted to see what an IVA would do differently. Her instructions were crystal clear. Use a minimal design. Add social proof, even if it's only for testing. Wait, are you suggesting fake reviews, Iva? I said test reviews. Right, test reviews. Got it. So I fired up Shopify and got to work. Iva guided me on everything from the theme colors to the product description copy. She wanted a clean, professional look that builds trust instantly. I designed a simple logo, and we settled on the name straightback.com, simple, sleek, and AI optimized. Honestly, with her prompts, the whole process took less than a day. The site was live, the product page looked great, and we even had our test reviews in place. Analytics were installed, the payment gateway was ready, and it felt like we had a real, legitimate online store. Now for the scary part, getting people to actually visit it. Week 3 was all about advertising and marketing. This is where most dropshipping stores either sink or swim. We decided to focus our efforts entirely on TikTok because AFAF data suggested it had the highest potential for viral reach with our target audience. Use this hook. Do you sit like this all day? You need this gadget. Okay, let's give it a shot. Do you sit like this all day? Then maybe you need this. I filmed a few simple, organic-style videos showing the product in action. AVA generated the ad copy, the hashtags, and even the recommended posting times. We launched our first campaign, and I was glued to the Shopify dashboard, just waiting for that first sale notification. The first few days? A total disaster, crickets. We got some views, a few likes that were definitely from bots, but 0 sales. It was pretty discouraging. I was starting to think this whole experiment was a bust. But IVA wasn't phased. We need retargeting and a discount incentive. Data indicates better conversion. So we changed our strategy. We launched new ads targeting people who had visited the site but didn't buy, and we offered a 15% discount code. I was skeptical, but I followed the instructions. I uploaded the new ads, put the discount code front and center on the website, and waited. And then, wait, that was a sale. I actually couldn't believe it. That first Shopify cha-ching sound was the best thing I'd heard all week. Our first sale? The AI was right. Once the ads were optimized, sales started coming in steadily. That combination of retargeting on TikTok and offering a discount was the perfect combo. The momentum was building. Every time my phone made that cha-ching sound, it was a little hit of dopamine. We were getting orders from all over the country. 1 order, then 2, then 5 in a single day. The strategy was working. AIVA was constantly analyzing the ad performance, telling me which videos to kill and which ones to scale. It was like having a super intelligent marketing manager working 24/7. At the end of the week, I asked the IVA for the final numbers. Conversion rate, 2.8%. Total profit this week, €184. Wait, actual profit? After ad spend and product costs? Confirmed. Net positive €184. Congratulations, human. Wow, €184 in profit. I was genuinely shocked. We did it. We were officially a profitable business. It felt amazing to see the numbers in the green. It wasn't a life-changing amount of money, but it was real. We turned an idea into actual cash, all with the help of an AI. The final week proved that the system worked, and I was so excited to see the final 30-day tally. So, after 30 days of this crazy experiment, what's the final verdict? We made a total profit of €184. Like I said, it's not going to let me retire on a private island, but it proves something far more important. I can actually help you run a business. This whole process was a massive learning experience. AIVA worked faster, thought more clearly, and made purely data-driven decisions, removing all the emotion and guesswork that usually trips me up. All I had to do was execute her plan. It was like having a business partner who never sleeps, never doubts, and always knows the next best move. Shall we double it next month? Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Aiva. This whole journey was full of ups and downs. From the initial failure of our ads to the excitement of that first sale, it was a roller coaster. But it shows that with the right tools and the right strategy, dropshipping isn't dead. Maybe it's just evolving, and maybe AI is the key to unlocking that evolution. What do you guys think? Would you trust an AI to run your business? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to see if we can turn this into a €10,000 brand, make sure to subscribe for part 2. See you next time.